27. What do you call it? Text messages. Right in the middle of filming a video. That's the one of the drawbacks using a phone. Anyway, it's me again. And if you're wondering what I got text about, in case you wonder, my daughter's going skating, and we don't have skates for her. We live in Canada. We don't have skates for my daughter because I don't have a skate. So she's kind of bummed. So my wife's got to go buy a cheap set of skates. It's not always cheap, but so other than that, what I have a tool review. No. And it's a tool review of an item you're going to see here over and over again until I get bored and decide to collect something else. So anyway, now that we're over with that part, I'll show you what I got here. Here we go. This is what is it? It's a pair of Gripso locking pliers. See? I got them online. Let me see if this light works any better. See? There we go. Gripso locking pliers. The difference is, though, these are, what do you call it? Adjustable on the sides. Like this. You can adjust them like so. One-handed adjustment. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. See? One hand. They're pretty cool, actually. They have a little thing here. I don't know if you can see the label on it. You can see it on there. They got some pretty cool jaws. They're kind of like the reverse vice grip. And the person I seen them on someone else's YouTube channel, and I was like, hey, those are neat. But you can pretty much, if you're holding it, so you can just, you don't have to worry. The benefit is you don't have to try to do that on one of these ones. You gotta hold it, and then it don't work. This one's got a freaking wrong bolt in the back. So yeah, and then you can unlock it. And if you want to hold on to this thing, you gotta hold it. Mind you, I'm so out of shape I can't turn this thing. And you can just ta-da, ta-da. There you go. Pretty cool. So yeah, I thought this was really cool. This is gonna go on my bench and I'll use this every now and then. So anyway, Gripso locking pliers. And it's neat. They're like, says, let's see, Gripso Vice Pliers patent pending. Says on here, HR Bassford Company, San Francisco, USA. I have not seen another one in almost a month on ePay. And when I do see another one, I'm going to have at least two of these. I want at least two. So yeah, that's my short little video. I mean, I want to do a whole bunch of locking pliers in one video. Maybe I will do it for once. Let's see. Okay, so we have this one, which is the Gripso. I'll do all these at once. Next one is another Gripso, but this needs work. This is Gripso pliers, but I guess they're bullnose ones there. You stick them in their nosies. It doesn't. It needs to be vapor rusted, and it has this unquenching mechanism here. It pops it up. This is, what do you call it, fused together, but we're gonna have to lube that up. It's pretty cool though. It's even got a chain on it, which I don't know why. It says Kind Snap. It says Kind Snap right there. It says HR Bassford and Company on there. I mean, I don't know if you want to put that in your nose and pop it in there. Might work. Gripso Vice Pliers, and it's got the Bajangly on here. So I don't know if the Bajangly came with it or what, but it looks like it. The little adjustment thing is, like I said, fused shut. So looks like it. Oh, maybe we can get it. Hold on. Let's get some CRC knocker loose involved here. Need some lube. There we go, some penetrating oil. Maybe I should put some on this side too. And we'll just toy around with it. Oh, look at that. It's moving already. Ooh, look. Well, well. That was quick. Da, 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 da. Put some on there. Put some more on there. So yeah, now we have it moving. Look at that. We can open it up. There we go. It doesn't work perfectly, but hey, look, see. Da, 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 da. I guess this is still needs a. I'm guessing for the little. I think this goes in the nose of a cow. I don't know what else. Maybe you could put this on. I don't know. Use a sheet metal or something. But anyway, I thought they were cool. And I said Gripso, so I got those. That's that one. My next victim in the line of locking pliers. I'll leave this one here so you can look at it. Put this out of the way. Leave this in the view here. Put that in the view. Wipe that up here because it stinks. This one is an Irwin. I've never seen these before. This was $13 online. Yep, a whopping $13. Let me get scissors in here. Oh, there we go, scissors. No, not a Irwin vice grip, 5-inch. This is how you should try to open these, because if you ever open these plastic things, you'll lose a finger. There we go. Irwin vice grip. Oh, that's neat. Look at the little knurling on the back. Where was this made? Irwin, made in China. Look at that. Xinhua. It's got a knife blade here. Ooh, fancy. So now I guess you can stab somebody and pinch their nipples with it if you want. Not exactly a good idea, but so it's got a little side lock. And what else? What else has it got on here? Oh, okay, that's what some dude was talking about. You can use this and this, and if you have a, let's see here, it's got the little ball detent on there. But I guess if you really wanted to, you can stick one of these in there. Just kind of. But apparently the Klein tools have the little ball detent in there, which is pretty neat. Come on, get in there. So that's kind of cool. That comes with a screwdriver. It's a nice size. Good little tool. This is riveted. Roseate riveter, and then these are screwed on here. So I guess if you really wanted to, you could get rid of this piece and put something else in there. Maybe if you wanted to put a different blade in there, it'd be pretty cool. You just have to trace it out. If you want to put a, I don't know. But I mean, $13. It's, oh, they even put that stupid little thing in there. Like, I don't like this fancy knurling. I like the old school one like this. Wait, where is it? I like this knurling. See that style. And then they also do this one here, which is they start doing with the little, what is it, Allen wrench in there. But I'm not a big fan of that. So yeah, it's pretty cool though. I mean, if you're just want to use vice grips and want to, I don't know, stab yourself maybe. Shit, I don't know. I don't see myself carrying this. Like, I don't know. It seems a little too gimmicky. Features: fold-out knife, fold-out screwdriver, curved jaw, maximum torque. I don't know. I cut off the other side so I can't read it. Maximum torque is let's see. Curved jaw puts something on, I don't know, 4 points of any style, nut, bolt, head, making it perfect. Any application requires maximum torque. So yeah, this one comes with maximum torque. I'm pretty sure this one comes with maximum torque too. But yeah, pretty neat. Nice little gadget. Apparently they make this one and the one with the pointy nose. And if I want to get all crazy, I could buy the Charade one, which apparently it's a Charade multi-tool. And apparently that one goes for like $100 on YouTube. And no, I'm not buying $100 frickin' vice grips. Get this out of the way. Maybe I'll buy $100. Maybe if they're like $59. So I'll put this one here. Put this one over here. That one there. I have one more for you. This one is a industrial grade SEBER grip locking pliers. Cam assisted pliers, self-adjusting, great gripping power, less effort. Flat front jaw, brake lock, 5 steel layers, adjustable jaw force, parallel jaw, soft handles, curved V-notch. jaw force indicator, release lever, patent number, whatever. SEBER Inc. All rights reserved, 2003. Where's it made? Where is she made? Made in USA. Holy shit. Oh my god, look at that. Look, right there. Made in USA. And here's the back part, if you want to pause it and read it. There's the little thing, you can see it sideways. Pretty sure they're out of business now. Let's take this out of here and see. So anyway, first impression is I don't know, it's more like weird. It is weird. How the hell in the hell does this lock? Oh, that's weird. Very weird. Undo it. Oh, look at that. This goes like, see, watch. Pull it and it locks. That's neat. And you push this right here to unlock it. So you go like this, lock it, and then this unlocks it. And here's the adjustable max thing there. That's weird. And this is minimum. That's so weird. I guess you could like, oh, pick it up, put over there, put over there. I can almost like eat lunch with this. Like, oh, it's like chopsticks. Oh, look at that, see? Pick that up. Pick that up. I can see me playing with these things. Max torque. What does this do here? That is so weird. What a weird, it's like RoboGrip on steroids. So yeah, it's just click, I'm done. Let me try a thicker part or something. Let's try what do we got that sticker on this bench? Yeah, let's go like this. Seems pretty tight, just to hold stuff. That is neat. It's kind of like bulged out here, little minimum, maximum jaw force. This little thing goes, oh, there we go. What about something bigger? Something bigger and crunchier. See a bigger piece? Isn't it too big? Oh, that's cool. That's neat. All I can say about this is black paint, scratchy. Rubber will probably fall off, but it's pretty good. SEBER grip. I think I paid like $10, $8.99 for this thing. Crunch. It looks. I mean, we know they do things cheap these days, but I wonder what this would be like if they made it like a solid thing instead of what, 5 layers? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know, Christ, so many layers. It's at least it lines up perfect. Pretty neat. I don't know how the hell that. I don't know who thought of this, but it's awfully neato. What else we got? Anything else? Oh, I can sit here and see, because this, you have to open the back. And then if you want to see, it's just, these ones just lock on like so. Then you got to adjust it in the middle here. One hand adjustment. So you actually have to adjust this one. This one you can just, oops, you can just grab this. It's kind of cool, you can just grab it and, it's got a pretty good grip on it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it for the SEBER grip. It's pretty neat. Put it in there. Why am I putting it back in the cardboard? Just because I'm not gonna keep the cardboard, but you know what? That is pretty cool though. Hey, anyway, before I let go and say adios amigos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends about my channel, and check out the different vice grips. I do have more coming. I ordered a few more. Oh, I'm excited. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.